Okay, how is everybody? I'll try my best to explain my strategy. Let's just wait a couple more minutes to see if more people come in or not. But for now, I'll show you my history. This is the trade from Friday, from Wednesday. I haven't had a loss in a while. Like Maya was saying, this is my current balance. And just in case I decide to go crazy, I'll change the demo. I just gotta make sure I got the settings right. I don't? Okay, hold on guys. Yeah. Okay, I have everything set up. We'll just wait a couple more minutes in case more people decide to come in. And then I'll start explaining. Where's everybody from? As you guys already know, I'm from El Paso, Texas. And I already have a strategy before this. It was way different than this. But then I started using AI. Not to trade for me. Well, it did help me with trades, a couple of trades, like 2 or 3 sessions. But after that, I decided to go solo. So what I did use AI for was to optimize my strategy. It helped me, I had the right idea, but it helped me adjust the settings so I can trade in the short term. I was not using ChatGPT. Heck, I was not using Google either. The AI that I was using is this one, Quinn. It's a free AI. You can make videos, images, talk to him, help you make a plan. All you need is a Google account. This is a good AI, and it's for free. Okay, one more minute, and we are ready to start the war. Yeah, this is a good chart. Oh, it's oil. Almost. We'll start the class in the next candle. I'll do this example step by step. All right? I know right now the guys the stock market is really rough. Uh, I do stock market myself, and it's been really rough. So far, my portfolio is down 3%, 4% at the most. But it's been a rough ride, thanks to our president. Okay, let's start, shall we? First step is that you're gonna put a moving average, and the period is gonna be 20. The 20 moving average is optimized for short trades, for the trades in the short term, less than a minute or a minute. The next thing you're gonna add is a MACD. Here are the settings: 12, 24, and 6. After that, you're gonna add an RSI, 24 period. Now, all these indicators are great when you use them together. By itself, it's kind of hit or miss, but if you use them together, they're great. Next step, identify the trend. So far, the trend is neutral, but this is an uptrend. You guys may not see it, but I'll show it for you. Look, this is the beginning of the trend, and it's still going up. This is a downtrend in the very short term, but it's not a short a downtrend. This is just a pullback. All right, and the lowest point of the pullback is this point. So now that you have identified that, next is to identify support and resistance. We have a support here. We also have another one here, a point of interest. We have another one way up here. That's a resistance. Once you guys have identified that, next is adjust the clock. We're not gonna use fixed amount. We're gonna use the other one, this one. And it's gonna be for 1 minute. But once you have that, if you see the price near the support or the resistance line, get ready to put a trade because it will most likely either bounce or break it. Like right now, you see all these green bars here in the MACD? That's our pressure. You guys see the moving averages here in the MACD? That's momentum. As far as the RSI, that's the strength of the trend. Since the RSI hasn't surpassed 70, that means that the trend is going to continue and it will keep going up. So right now, since the price has broken our resistance line, that resistance line has turned into a support line. So right now we'll have to adjust the clock again. So right now it's in a round number. That's another point of interest. And right there, we'll just put a trade. and he should come out a win. And he doesn't, it's okay. You see that? A win. But you gotta follow a plan and a backup plan. So what did I see here? He broke the resistance line. He broke the round number. A round number is the numbers over here, but with zeros. The more zeros he has, the stronger the point of interest. So that automatically turns it into a very strong resistance point. I'll make I'll make the line wider. Very strong. So strong that if the price doesn't break it, it will go back down with force. Most likely until the EMA. Now there are some occasions where the EMA also acts as a support. Like here. You guys see the price trying to break it but can't? Green, red, red, green. It's all a matter how you see the price. If you see that it leaves a really big wick, then it most likely is gonna bounce back down because it's right here on the EMA or moving average. That's what we call a dynamic support and resistance line. That was one example. Let's get on to the next example. We change it up. Silver. Okay. Yeah, support and resistance. I put it the line right where the wicks are. Right there. Let's see. RSI is up. That means it's going up. An uptrend. Volumes are going up in the MACD. 3 green candles. We also have a crossover in the moving average in MACD. That means it's gonna go up. We have a breakup. The price has broken the resistance line. Now I have to adjust the clock 14 to 15 and wait for the price to go back to the support line. Put my trade. Exactly right there. Put in trade. You guys see how the price bounced back up? And the bounce is backed up by the RSI, the moving average in MACD, and the volumes in the MACD. Right now, if I lose, it's okay. If I lose it, it's not gonna be for a lot, maybe for 5 or 10 points. But since it's going up, that's exactly what the price is gonna do. Go up. Don't worry. If I lose, I lose. But the important thing is that's why risk management exists. I know I'm greedy, and Maya has told me about it. She even yells at me. Why are you so greedy? You're not following the plan. Well, I only try to risk 8% a day. Well, not per day. 8% per week, divided in 3 days. And that has given me the opportunity to not burn the account. I'll throw in a third trade. And it'll be the last for tonight. Let's get another example. This one's good. Support and resistance. Volumes are up, RSI is up, MACD is up, but it's already way too up. That means a bounce is bound to happen. I gotta adjust the clock to 17 and wait for my entry point, which I kind of lost already. If it goes back up, I haven't lost it. No, I haven't. This is a sell. My bad. It was a buy. I'll have to wait for the next candle. Because right here, there's a round number. A very strong point of interest. And since the price already broke the resistance line that I previously had, it's not gonna go back down. It's gonna go back down, but it's gonna rebound. I'll adjust the clock again. Just wait for a good entry point. My entry point will be here in the middle of these two lines. Exactly there. Because of the round number. There's my trend. Most likely the price will rebound up. Waiting. Well, what do you know? It didn't. Man, even I have losses. You can still go back up. No worries. Now what happened there is that I put my entry point two up. Now that it's coming down, I have to wait for the price to go up and then put a sell. Why? Because the volumes in MACD are going down. Actually, I can put it right now. And most likely I'll win it. Yeah, the clock. Right there. Man, it's very different when I'm not trading with Maya. But that's the gist of it. That's the gist of my strategy. Volumes are going down. Moving average starts to go down as well as other side. That's why I got on my win. If you want to now trade, just wait until the price gets to the max, to the moving average. It will most likely back down, but go back up, rebound. I'll do one more. Or just wait and put my trade. Simple as that. You guys see how the price rebounded? Now I know. But Alex, volumes are going down. RSI is starting to go down. Moving average is starting to go down like as well. Yes, that's true. But we have a dynamic support, dynamic resistance. Well, not resistance. A dynamic support line right here, which is the moving average. The price is respecting the moving average. You respected it right here. You respected it right here. But most likely it's gonna respect it again. And that's what happened. And that's it for the mini class for tonight. Uh, I'll show the settings again. Here's my settings for the moving average. Here's the MACD. And here's the RSI. You guys see? The price is still respecting the moving average. There's also a round number right here, which is the point of interest. Well, that'll be all for tonight. I hope you guys like the mini class. Any questions, please leave it in the comments below. See you guys Monday. And Maya will be back on Monday. See you guys later.